Homeschooling moms, come here really quick. I have to put y'all on something that is absolutely amazing and should be worked into your homeschool curriculum. Look, even if you are a teacher, this should be worked into your curriculum. It is called iReadify. Let me show you how this goes well beyond just all of the hundreds of inclusive books that they offer. Okay, so look up here. You see activities. Today, we read this book where she discussed all different types of transportation. In the activities, it was a 5-page packet. Let me show y'all. As you can see, the twins are knocking out that packet right now. What I love most is that page 5 of the packet, they actually discuss Bessie Coleman. The little plane there lets you know she was a pilot. So now we're getting outside of reading and we're getting into not only social studies, but also Black history. Bessie Coleman was not discussed in this transportation book. So here's what we did next. I was able to find a lesson on Bessie Coleman. This one was really kid friendly. It was short. It was sweet. It was to the point. We had really good discussions. And as y'all know, Black history goes far beyond just February. It's all year. So this was perfect. And it ended with, what do you want to be? What are things you can do to reach your goal and to research and write 6 facts about Bessie Coleman?